Hello students, how are you? I'm your teacher Priya Jawar from Seth Tolaram Bafna Academy. And first I would like to congratulate you for being promoted to class LKG from class nursery. So today students we are going to start our classes for the syllabus of LKG class. Okay, so we will start with the subject maths, and today the topic will be counting 1 to 100. So you are ready students? For this I am showing you one book, one page. You have to focus on this, right? And you have to repeat after me. Loudly you have to repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now with this counting you have to learn tens counting also, which is this line. You have to learn this also. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. One more thing which is to be taken care of, after like 29, how 30 comes is that after 2 what comes? After 2 3 comes, and after 9 10 comes, and 0, instead of 10 we will write 0 and 2, after 2 it comes 3, so it becomes 30. So take care of this, maximum problems come here only. So after each this line you have to take care what you have to write here. So students, this is the counting, forward counting, which is also called forward counting. You have to write this counting 2 times in your notebook. This is your homework, and 2 times oral you have to do of this counting. Sit with your parents, they will tell you to pronounce it, repeat it 2 times, so that practice will be there of yours. So this is your homework. I hope you like this session, and for next class we will come with another topic of another subject. Till then, be safe, stay safe at your home, fight with corona and help our country by staying at home. Thank you so much.